Seventh graders continue to build their understanding of algebra, and they work with expressions, equations, and comparisons. Before solving problems, it is important for students to understand the vocabulary that appears throughout Algebra Readiness. Let's begin with the building blocks. Variable. A symbol, often a letter, that stands for a number. In the statement 3x plus 4, x is the variable. Constant. A fixed number with no variable. In the example, 3x plus 4, 4 is the constant. Coefficient. The numerical factor multiplied by a variable. In the example, 3x plus 4, 3 is the coefficient. Now we can look at how these pieces come together. Term. A part of an expression separated by addition or subtraction. In the example, 3x plus 4, 3x and 4 are both terms. Algebraic expression. A combination of numbers, variables, and operations that represent a value. For example, 3x plus 4. Numerical expression. A mathematical statement that includes numbers and operations. For example, 27 divided by 3 plus 5 is a numerical expression. Finally, let's look at statements that compare or show equality. Equation. A number sentence that shows two statements are equal using an equal sign. For example, 3x plus 5 equals negative 26. Inequality. A statement that one quantity is greater or less than another. For example, x plus 2 is less than or equal to 10.